Welcome to the new weekly analysis with Harmonic scanner. Let's return to the previous week analysis. If you have not watched, feel free to check this previous video analysis. Where in this video analysis I have picked 3 of these bad patterns that has been formed on the chart and detected by the scanner, and I have made the analysis on the Netherlands 25, on the France 40 and Japan 225. Feel free to check. I have made the analysis when the prices formed this bullish bad pattern here on the Japan 225, on the France and the Netherlands. All of these 3 patterns has been successful. The price has reached the take profit 2 level, and we can see it was after making the technical analysis, it was a successful one, which means these patterns was profitable one. So feel free to check that previous week analysis, how to pick these patterns and also how to make the technical analysis. I would like to mention that this Harmonic scanner detects the patterns, and after that it is also very good to use some kind of analysis to increase the successful of those patterns, which means just to verify the entry level, stop loss, take profit levels, are they in line, and if they are in line with your technical analysis, this will increase the chances of being profitable pattern. Now, if you take a look here, the first criteria whenever I use the analysis is to have the pattern is showing the direction in the trend. This was the uptrend, and this bullish bad pattern is suggesting further rise in value. So this is the first criteria. The second one is always to check these support and resistance levels. Is there here the take profit levels and the stop loss are in line with these lines? If that is, then we have also the second criteria fulfilled, which means increased chances of being profitable. Usually when this kind of a bullish bad pattern or bearish bad pattern forms in the direction of the trend, and these support and resistance levels are verified with these take profit levels with the stop loss, usually this pattern becomes a profitable one. Now you can also pick any kind of pattern that you would like. You here inside the monitor tab, you have here a patterns that has been detected, and also you can make the analysis by using this window here below that, where you have listed all the patterns and also on the different time frames with the status is there complete, failed or successful. When you click one of them, you will see a successful, which means the profit has been reached, which means take profit 2 level. When it is failed, that means the price has reached the first stop loss, which means this pattern has been failed one. When you have a complete, that means the price still did not reach take profit level nor the stop loss, which means it's still available for trading. And you have here a reward to risk, which means if there is 3 or more, that means very good risk to reward ratio. Then you have here a settings where you can make the filter, which one of the patterns you would like to track, which one of the time frame, the symbols, and you have here which patterns. Then you have here much in more detail which symbols of these you would like to track. I have selected most of them here except bonds, but when you have this table populated with all of these symbols, you can simply go here and type which kind of filters you would like. You can type which symbol you would like to track. Then for example, if you type it here, Euro, USD, click the enter, and then it will populate on the only Euro USD, including all the other filters that you have put here. For example, which pattern, which time frame, and after that you get these populated informations here. Remember, there is a notification tab. This means which you select here inside the settings, which means time frame, which pattern, and then here inside the watch list, which symbol you pick. You will receive notification on the Telegram. If you have activated the Telegram, you will receive a link with for example, let's take this one example, this bearish bad pattern on the 4-hour time frame. It will be sent to the Telegram whenever it is detected. You get the link. When you click the link, it will open the chart with this pattern, so you can also make the analysis further on. Now let's take a look here. This one is some kind of a good one because we have a bearish trend that has been formed, and we have here a bearish bad pattern showing that it is pushing the price down. The price has reached already the first take profit level, so it will be probably reaching the second take profit. But using this support and the resistance level would be a very good idea to increase the chances where the price could go, because if this support level shows that the price could reach this one here, so you can increase this take profit level here. And also if the stop loss is here, you can move the stop loss a little bit down to increase the risk-reward ratio and also to pick the better of these levels. Remember that the scanner is not 100% very good with the success, so it is just only a tool to detect the patterns, and after that it is on you to make the decision, will you trade this one, or you will make some kind of analysis to confirm these levels are valid or invalid and to adapt these levels, like I have done in the previous week. Feel free to check that, and also to see if you have any questions regarding that, feel free to join the Telegram group where you can also ask any kind of questions. So for now, that's all for this week. See you next time in the next analysis, and also remember, if you would like to share one of the patterns that has been detected with the scanner, feel free to leave a comment and also join other traders to share your informations. That's all for this week. See you next time and happy trading.